How's my hair look?
What?
So we're back with another episode. We have an amazing car for you guys. It is a Lamborghini Huracan STO with a very special Y-Stack turbo kit. So today we're putting on the dyno. We're gonna find out what it makes. Guy wants to make a lot more power than what the car currently makes. I'm estimating somewhere around 800 wheel horsepower on pump gas. And then hopefully soon we're gonna be, doing some upgrades to the car, upgraded clutch, maybe a Motec, and then of course fuel system. Currently the car is only at 7 pounds of boost. On these cars, usually 6 to 8, depending on the turbo kit, will yield somewhere around 800 horsepower mark.
This is my dream car, guys. Subscribe.
Yes, it's my dream car too, bro. All right, here's the problem with the dream car. Getting in and out, it is not big people friendly. I'm like 6'3", 300 pounds. Watch.
Let's see how smooth he gets in. Come on,
dude, you gonna put that on YouTube? Oh,
come on, man.
Dude, come on.
Hey, let's see it. Let's see it.
All right, I'm gonna have to like chop my head off, put it in the car.
You're losing aura if you have to do this in public.
I'm losing street cred, man.
Hey, but on the bright side, you fit.
I do fit. Once I'm in, then it's not
That's
bad.
good.
What did he say?
Let's start this thing up and see what it'll do.
Oh my God, you hear that? All right, so we got 737.97 and 547 torque, so definitely improvement over stock.
Well, no fucking shit.
737, which tells me like the tune in the car is really conservative, so maybe another pound of boost. At 8 pounds, this car will definitely make 800 to the wheels. So 737 with the current tune. The car felt very healthy. It might be tuned for 91 octane, which is actually more conservative tuning wise. The car I think was built out in Arizona, which makes sense. 700 horsepower is right in par with them. So 8 pounds, a little bit more aggressive tune, definitely 800 horsepower car for sure. So let's give it one more rip and see how she does.
Oh my God. Wait, we gotta see what she made. So a little less that time, probably because of T-Took. 722.54, 57. Oh, it made 30 more torque. It made 30 more torque almost, and less horsepower.
Oh shit. There we go. Might work.
Either way, she's a bad unit, folks.
Okay, we're done with the dyno pulls. 2 dyno pulls just to verify it back to back. The car did spool up quite a bit sooner and made a little bit more torque on the second run. Makes sense. Medium size to large frame turbos, once they get some heat in them, they tend to spool up quicker, which is clearly here shown in the scenario. It did lose some power up top, very minimal. Nothing, I would consider a problem or anything like that. But that's because the intake air temperature does get hotter. We didn't give the car too much time to cool down between runs. We just wanted to do 2 runs, a few minutes apart for testing. The customer just wants to know what the car makes. He's not trying to, push this car. We're not retuning it or anything like that just yet. Right now we're just getting a baseline. We got those numbers. We verified it on the dyno. We data logged it. All the data looks good and clean. So hopefully on the next video you see of this car, hopefully we're upgrading the fuel system, maybe a clutch basket, and then turning up the boost, and then big power. Let's go.